Mediterranean Cold War? How? The Israeli Air Force is preparing for an aerial confrontation with the Turkish Air Force in Syria and Cyprus, amid tensions on various fronts. Israel is conducting a silent military campaign against Turkey in the skies over Cyprus. To prevent it from turning Damascus into a forward Turkish base, reports the Israeli Mako Ko'il, the strategic move, the commander leading it, and the coordination mechanism among all parties. They are similar to those the Russians have in Europe, so as not to be far from the headlines of the war in Gaza and Lebanon. A quiet but very dynamic air campaign is underway between Israel and Turkey. The Israeli Air Force is carrying out a strategic show of presence around Cyprus to stop Turkish expansion in Syria and to protect Israeli air superiority in the region. The show of air presence, as part of a kind of Cold War, is taking place in the airspace around Cyprus. The goal is to limit Turkish expansion in Syria, especially that of the Turkish Air Force, and to prevent Israel from being pushed out of the region's strategic skies, at the same time undermining the absolute air superiority that has been achieved there in recent years. Turkey, after hastily closing the front with the Kurdistan Workers' Party, turned to Syria and the Kurds of the People's Protection Units, who are there, launching a campaign that led 460,000 Kurds to flee from Aleppo. Now, what remains is the rest of northern Syria, where hundreds of thousands of Kurds live. When they finish there as well, then they will give everything in the Cyprus-Crete region to try to impose the illegal Turkish-Libyan memorandum. This plan by Ankara will be challenged by Israel, Greece, and Cyprus, according to an article in the Cypriot newspaper. Israel, a country with a strongly aggressive presence in the region, is constantly submitting new requests to Athens, which appears willing to satisfy them. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to receive notifications for every new one. Don't forget to leave us comments with your opinion.